Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this algorithm section we are going to cover Armstrong number. We'll create algorithm that will check if it is Armstrong number or not. So as you know that, let me write here, for example 153. So if I want to know is it Armstrong or not. First I have to get how many digits. It's like 1 2 3. Okay, so if it is 3, I will get first digit. I will say 1 power 3 sum 5 power 3 sum 3 power 3 sum. So this is 1 and this is 125 and this is 27, and totally if we sum it, it will be 153. So if it is equal to our number, then this is Armstrong number. So we can check even, let me delete this one, we can check internet also, they do the same thing. And beside this one, for example, as we see that this is 4 digits, and that's why the power should be 4. So we'll create the algorithm like this one, and as you see that this Armstrong number, and 1 power 4, 6 power 4, 3 and 4, if you sum them it will be 1634. That's it, will be our result. So now let's go to our Visual Studio and let's create algorithm of it. First we need a input number from user, then we'll check it. First I will say console write, I will say enter a number checking for Armstrong number or not. This is first. Second, I will say var number, and I will say console read line. I will not convert into anything. So then I will create a for loop, and then it will start from 0 and until our number length. For example, if you write 153, our length it will be 3. So I will say number length, because for example here if you write let's say write number, if I write 0 like this, then if for example I write 153, it will get first the first digit. With this one it will give me, for example here, 1. If I make this one 1, then it will give me 5. It's something like this. So now let's remove this one, and let's say first I need to declare here a variable as a double. I will say double, I will say total and set it to 0, and here I will say first I need to, for example, I need to get my numbers like this. For example, I write 153. Yeah. First I need to get 1, then 5, then 3. But in order to do that, we say we'll write number. If it is 0, then we'll get 1. If it is 1, then 5. It is 2, then 3. And then this is child array. First I will convert to string, then I will convert to double, maybe, yeah, or integer. I will convert into double, because since our total is double. Now I will say like this. I will say var value, I just name it value, or I can say it's sum, and I will say convert, sorry, let's do integer, I think, yeah. Then we say our number and I. But if I convert like this, we'll get a different, because this is char array. If you convert to integer, it will give you like Unicode a number. But I have to convert this one to string, and in this way we can get our numbers. And now I will say, you can even maybe try it. I will put a breakpoint here, and I will just run it. 1, 5, 3, and then I will jump here. As you see that the sum is 1. And let's go for 5. As you see that is 5. And this is for 3. And then it will just break our loop. It is like this, yeah. It's working perfect. So now we need to, this sum, we will get the POW of it, and then we'll add to our total. Here I will say total plus total. So let's do like this. I said total plus. Then in order to get POW, for example, if I want to do, let me write it. I will just explain to you. Math POW. First I need sum, my number. Then we say like Armstrong number. For example, if it is 3 digits, then we need to get our number of, like POW should be 3. And how we know that what is our POW? It is if I get the number length. I will say number length, because it is 3. And now here I would just want to explain what we did here. Here what we did, this sum, for example, if we say our sum is 5, yes, it will convert is 5. And our number length is, because since I said I will write 153, if you say number length, it will give you 3. So, and it will be 5 power 3. And this POW math class, it will just calculate this one. It will say 125. This result, it will be this one. Then it will add inside our total. So this is like this. And after that, after we're done with this one, we will just make comparison. If like our number is equal the total, then this is Armstrong number. Here I will put my condition. I will say if number, but here our number is string. I say equal total. Here total, because I cannot compare, I have to convert this one into string. I will say total to string, like this. If our total is equal our number, then this is Armstrong number. Then I say, let's put something like this, and we say number is an Armstrong number. And if it is not, then we say here number is not an Armstrong number. And let's put a breakpoint here from the beginning, and we'll just watch it step by step. let's run it, Armstrong number. Then here we say step over, and it asks for a number. I just input 153, and then this total, I just on pin here, I put here, I just want to see it. And let's go for sum also. Sorry, maybe here. So 1.3, it was 3, and now it will add inside our total. It's added. Now it's our I think. Now number is 5, this one. Now it will get 5. It will 5.3. It will be 125. Now it is our sum is 5, our number. Then it will take a pound. And it added 125 plus 1, 26. Now it is 4, 3. 3 is 27. It will add 27 more here. And our number total, it will be 153. Then this is Armstrong number. Then it will break the loop, and then it will put condition. As you see that number 153, and the total also as well. And it get inside our if condition. And I would say 153 is an Armstrong number. That's that much simple. We can do, for example, if we have a list of Armstrong numbers, maybe number list. Yeah, we have quite a list here. For example, first let me just try. One is not Armstrong number. I will put 100. Is not Armstrong, and I put 407 is Armstrong number, maybe big number. I will try it. 8208 Armstrong number. It is working perfectly without any problem, and this is that much simple, guys. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, and see you next